Welcome to SANSSPACE. SANSSPACE is the learning management solution for video, extending learning anywhere and at any time. The recent explosion in superfast mobile networks, tablets, smartphones, social networking sites and on-demand broadcasting is making video the format of choice for all consumers. This has created new opportunities for teachers, trainers, information managers and their learners to reach out and share information using video, wherever they are and wherever it is convenient. In education and corporate training, it is increasingly important to direct learners to specific video content. However, so far, video is a passive communication medium. It is simply watched. Learners need to do much more than just passively watch a video. They need to interact, critique, and enhance their own responses to the material they've been watching. SANSSPACE creates a unique interactivity in the use of video for learning, teaching, and training. You can overlay critical points and comments onto any video to personalize and share your thoughts and interpretations with designated students, as individuals or in groups, and with tutors or with information managers. Using the SANSSPACE player, you can annotate a video or audio file with additional text, audio or video bookmarks. Designated students can then see these comments and can add their own responses too. Teachers and managers can create student groups so the materials can be shared remotely between specific students. And as they evolve, their projects and coursework can be monitored prior to any final submission. All annotations between the teacher or manager and their students is entirely secure. Any project materials can be given a time limit to encourage learners to respond within a given date. All work during the project is fully tracked and monitored by teachers and managers. The project can then be later marked for assessment, audit, or compliance. The unique SANSSPACE comparative recorder and player allows for a new level of interaction. Practice-based programs where students can critique or mimic the original visual instructions are powerful ways to enforce and enhance learning. Using sign language, for instance, the student can easily practice key instructions for the PC webcam. Equally, using the flip camera on any smartphone or tablet, students can practice the comparative assembly of instructional culinary, scientific, sporting or dramatic pieces. There are no limits to the type of materials and coursework used in SANSSPACE. Originally designed for languages and language learning, SANSSPACE is being used across the curriculum in academic subject areas like business studies, law, medicine, sciences, and the humanities, or in vocational and career educational based coursework like hairdressing, culinary, sports, or drama. There are no restrictions in the video formats either, as the SANSSPACE player automatically plays any video without the expense of conversion. SANSSPACE is accessible on virtually any device. PCs, Macs, iOS and Android devices, using the SANSSPACE app, can access the interactive content anywhere and at any time. SANSSPACE blends into any website, so there are no problems linking SANSSPACE into any institution's web pages or learning management system. SANSSPACE protects intellectual property rights, so once a video is formatted into the SANSSPACE player, it cannot be downloaded or used outside the designated web space. This allows for important opportunities for institutions to create revenue-generating distance learning programs for students in any part of the globe. To assist with tracking, audit and compliance, SANSSPACE has a very granular tracking of learners. As a teacher, tutor or trainer, You can tell when and how long your learners have been playing or recording to video and audio files, making it easy to enforce any requirements you may have as part of your course or training program. SANSSPACE is easy to maintain. It can be simply installed on an existing server and seamlessly linked to wherever content is already stored on your network. By making the interface easy to use, teachers, tutors or trainers can quickly add new content to SANSSPACE with little or no practice. This allows more dynamic and engaging learning content to be created quickly and easily. Regardless of the information you're trying to disseminate, one thing is clear. Video is now the preferred way to communicate, and SANSSPACE is the ideal technology for integrating and assessing video, because it turns watching video into a truly interactive communication experience.